Howdy. That's a screenshot I just made before, which I tried to measure somehow the distance between two quakes. One happened today and one yesterday. And we have about 190 kilometers in between. So I wanted to know where this is. So I went over to the earthquake application 19 hours ago. Montbeliard, France, 2.1. Do we know any depth? 1 kilometer in depth, 15 or 5, and 2 more. So there's a wide range of depths upon this quake. And I have been stressing, maybe too much already, I don't know, maybe not, about the importance of water and how I usually, since recognized a certain pattern in this, check out the location of the quake and also the surroundings, mainly water streams. Here seems to be one pouring out of the ground. There are others too not too far away, just emerging out of the ground. So we have here a small town called Fallon. And let's check out on Google Earth. And this was approximately the point I decided now to make still a video. Because I'm checking these things out all the time and sometimes I make a video about it. So, Fallon, commune in France. There is a picture. And it says Fallon. Fallon is a commune in the Haute-Saône department in the region of the Bourgogne-Franche-Comté in eastern France. So, now let's check out this picture. You know, despite I'm stressing about the importance of water, there is obviously some spring captured. And this is possibly for people to bath. There might be even special water. Healthy water. And you know, I haven't been in the mood to make any video. But as I stumbled across this one, since I tried to measure the distance and figure out where to point at in order to see what's on the line between those two quakes, I stumbled across this place which is about water. And it's very interesting. It is undeniable that there is something about the water. Now let's put a point here at point Fallon. Like this. Somewhere here has been the quake. And now we go over somewhere here. Stockau, Tuttlingen, Sigmaringen, Bad Saalgau, Rottweil-Albstadt. Now let's go back to the other map. Now, this is stuff I do almost every day. Many times. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Bodelshausen, north of Bodelshausen. Rottweil, bit to the east and north. Bodelstotternhausen, Balingen, Burlandingen, Trottelfingen. Where is it? Bodelshausen. Bodelshausen. Here we have Roman Museum. Romans very much liked to bath in warm water. So we wouldn't be surprised to find some spring activity there as well. And I've been talking about this region being geothermal activity-wise very active. We are not too far from a volcano as well. But anyway, Bodelshausen. So we tried to find this patch of forest, which might be elevated. I think it's this one. 211 kilometers. So now we have this line. Freiburg im Breisgau. Ending. Vogtsburg, Kaiserstuhl, Lilienthal. Yeah, probably you notice that on Google Earth, this region isn't really marked as a volcano at all. You have to zoom in more. But there's a holy place. Might have special water in there too. Smaragdeidechsenpfad, Pavillon Mondhalde. They're talking about the moon. Kaiserstuhl camping. But anyway, that's the volcano. That's the Kaiserstuhl volcano. So where's this other line? Here. So we are very close to the volcano. It's almost at the exact center. Between those two quakes. And here, in this region, let's draw a bit bigger circle. There has been this other earthquake some time ago, which is also almost in the middle of these two quakes. So here's the volcanic region, Kaiserstuhl volcano. So, despite not being really in the mood to make a video, I made even a screenshot collage picture thing. So the square on the left, that's from Google Earth. Just before, I don't know how close I got really close. This dark spot here is Volcano. Kaiserstuhl Volcano, Stratovolcano. It's a stratovolcano. The distance between those quakes is 211 kilometers. So this number is 111 kilometers. Which is almost at the center between those two quakes. Does this mean we should expect some activity from Kaiserstuhl Volcano? I don't know. But if there would be a 4 or even greater magnitude earthquake at the Kaiserstuhl Volcano, it would be probably a thing. And they are like really close to be in alignment, like very close. But anyway, interesting times. It seems to be centered around the Rhine in recent times, at least in Northern Europe. It is a very important river, and it appears to be a white river, which connects the sea with volcanoes and the Alps. Thank you.